ಸರ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ನಟರಾಜ್ ಸರ್. ನಟರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Yeah, you can start now.
Okay. Good morning everybody.
Good morning.
Today we have organized this program on access to legal resources through Manupatra database to enable our students and faculty to use this database effectively. Manupatra is one of the popular legal databases in our country. It contains Indian and foreign case laws, legislations, e-journals and other information resources. This is one of the best legal databases for the legal research. For this, we have invited Shri Krishna, Manager South Manupatra Information Solutions Private Limited, Noida. He has a rich experience in training the law students and faculty to use this database. I welcome him for today's program. Welcome you, sir. I welcome Professor K. Suresh, Chief Executive Justice Law College, Mysore, who is the guiding spirit and insists to conduct activities in the college. I welcome him in his absence. I welcome Dr. S. Nataraju, sir, Principal Justice Law College, Mysore, who is always supportive in conducting activities in the college. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
I welcome Shri Madhukumar for today's program. I also welcome teaching, non-teaching staff and students for showing keen interest in attending this program. Okay. Now I request our principal, Dr. S. Nataraju, sir, to say a few words.
Okay, once again, good morning to all of you. Our library wing, Mr. Chidananda has taken the initiative of, in association with our Manupatra. I think this is for an educative program to the newcomers, because our students are using different legal database, including legal pandit and law super, etc., and also from UGC, the legal database. But Manupatra is also doing a very good job in the field of law, especially providing database informations. So I think it will be more useful to our beginners, especially the first year law students. So with this object, we invite everybody to join this interactions, and on these occasions, the technical experts from Manupatra, that is Mr. Krishna Talam, I think he's here. So he's going to enlighten the how available the legal data information is available through Manupatra. So once again, I welcome him, and also inform to all of our students to make use of this the Manupatra data. Our library staff, all other technical.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice words. And now I request Sri Krishna to train our participants. Over to you, sir. Krishna, over to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to Manupatra webinar session. Myself, Mr. Krishna, so working in Manupatra as assistant manager quite a long. I'm proud to say that Manupatra is celebrating 20 years anniversary. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the management and the students for choosing Manupatra. Manupatra are the pioneers in online legal research in India since 2001 and providing the most comprehensive legal and business database with technology-enabled legal research tools. Our database is widely used by lawyers, law firms, judiciary, law schools, corporates, government, and we hope that we can add value to your organization for your legal research and information requirements. Manupatra offers over 2 million judgments from Supreme Court, High Courts, tribunals, and 14 international courts apart from comprehensive database of central and state acts. We also cover primary and secondary information which are both available in Manupatra, and also there are a few hyperlink features and other analytic features which will smoothen your legal research time. So coming to Manupatra login page, so Manupatra Fast is the page which you have to use. So type manupatrafast.com. So this is how the login page appears. So you should enter your sign in and password. So if you are IP subscriber, you get an option just down here. Click on IP subscriber. So once you click that, so you will be redirected to my homepage of Manupatra. So once you log in, so this is how the login page looks like. So on the table, left hand side, I have table of contents. So just to make you understand what information and what content is covered in Manupatra, I will take you in brief. So if I click on Supreme Court, so I get Supreme Court orders and judgments. So court orders available from 1950 to till date, and court orders from 1980 to till date, and court judgments from 1950 to till date. So coming to high courts, so all high courts from date of inception to till date. So we also have tribunals and commissions which are covered on the following topics. So all these tribunals will help for your moot courts preparations. So if I'm coming to international database, so we have all these following countries, so which are covered in Manupatra. So Australia, Bangladesh, Canada, so in courts of English of the Justice of European Communities. So and coming down, so we have English reports covered from 1220 to 1873. So and maritime cases 1870 to 1940. So all these is age-old cases which are available in Manupatra. So if you scroll down, so you have business policy. So in Manupatra, other than doing a research related to any judgments, we also have the access to cover the other informations. So like, let me show you one example. So let me choose corporate laws. So again, you have an option of table of contents. Click here. So further you have the subjects here. So if I want to go to company law procedures, so I have to click here. So again, Companies Act of 1956. So you need to choose your topic. So just to make you understand, I'm going through step by step. So again, if my topic is about incorporation, for example, incorporation of a private limited company. So I need to click here. So this is the information available on that particular act. So trust me, you will not get this information anywhere. So if you are getting, you need to do a lot of research. So without doing anything, we have the option of doing it here. You can download this information in PDF and you can copy to a pen drive and your phone, and you can access them at your convenience time. So again, coming to ebooks. So we have the predefined subjects available in a PDF format, in a soft copy format, so you can download them. So for example, if you want to see handbook on real estate investment, so click on that. So if you click on this cover page, it will bring you the details. So the author is Anupam Srivatsava and it is a second edition book. So if you go back, you have an option to choose the chapter. So for example, if I want to see chapter 3, sale of immobile property, click on this. So you will get option to download this chapter 3 in a PDF format. So if you click here, that get downloaded. So coming to academic ebooks. So we have predefined subjects available in a downloadable format. So you can choose your topic like how we did for ebooks. So if you want to see law of evidence, so you need to click on that particular topic. So if you want to see basis of rules, evidence, so you need to choose from the topic and you get the option to download them. So coming to articles, so we have an option. If you click on article, so you need to choose the categories. So under articles, articles by students, articles by professionals. So you need to choose your requirement. If you want to see articles by students, click on this. So all the articles which are submitted from students are uploaded in Manupatra. So we have 794 articles available. You also have another option of seeing the articles which are come to Manu search. So just give your query. So let me help you with one example. For example, migrant labor. So give this in a double inverted comma so that it searches as a sentence. If you click on search, you get all the cases, judgments related to migrant labor. Just down to the search, you have an option article search, which is in a yellow highlight. If you click on article search, you will get all other sources other than where Manupatra has not covered. Can you see the search results? So all this information is being collected from Google. So the first one, the ASEAN form on migrant labor, which is published by ILO.org. So if I am coming to the third option, so labor migration 6 ASEAN form on migrant labor, it is the same organization. So if you click on any of your interested link, so that will redirect to that page. So all this is. You can download them. So if you get further options according to the site. So if you want to see articles related to migrant labor in Manupatra, so just scroll down. I have search options here. Filter results by. So you can see this document type. So in document type, I have options of articles. So if I click on articles, so under topic migrant labor, I have 7 articles available for. So if I want to ALRRG volume 1, so if I click here, that is available in a PDF format. So this is how it looks like. So you can download them. Coming to legal taxonomy, just down to articles. So legal taxonomy is something unique feature. So I don't want to give any query for my legal research. So I know the subjects and sub-subjects. At that situation, the legal taxonomy will help you a lot. So for example, if I want to see, let's take any topic here. Hindu law of marriage, for example. So just click on that. So we have other sub topics here. So let me take nature of union. So I have one case available on that particular topic. So if I click on this hyperlink, it will take me to that particular case. So I'm able to see the judgment without giving any query search. So this is one type of option. What in case I have a query search? How do I do the research in Manupatra? So I will help you with that. So come to my home. So this is how the my home page appears. We have 4 types of search options. So mainly Manu search, legal search, citation search, and assisted search. Each search options has uniqueness in that. So we need to decide which option to use. So first let me take you to legal search. So in legal search, I have an option to search case law, combination of 2 acts and sections. So I repeat, I have an option to search case laws with 2 acts and sections, 2 different acts and 2 different sections. For example, let me take CRPC section 200, and for example, Negotiable Instrument Act section 138. So don't fill any details, so which are available below. So just give the sections and acts and give the search. So I have 1630 judgments available for my search options. So you have sort by. So you can change the research results according to your requirement. So if you want to go to latest, newest, oldest, and most cited, so I prefer most cited because when I'm going for most cited, I get the chances of getting relevant judgments more. See, the first case of SMS Pharmaceuticals Limited, which is a Supreme Court case, 2005 case, has been cited for 644 times. So this is something quite helpful for my research. If you're coming down still, so you have all these judgments available. So I will help you in further how to understand a judgment in the coming sessions. Let me come to citation search. Let me come to again legal search. So in legal search, you have an option of appellant and respondent. So I know only appellant or respondent details how to download the judgment. So just enter the appellant or respondent or both if you have. So I'm just giving us Konkan Railway. So let me see how many cases I have on this. So I have 67 cases available on Konkan Railway. So if you are seeing the first case, Konkan Railway Construction Limited and others versus Rani Construction Private Limited, Supreme Court case 2002. You have a red flag over just next to that green circle. So this says the particular case is been overruled. To find out any case is overruled or what is its status, it takes a lot of research time. But without giving or without spending much time, you have an option to get the information in just one click. So I'm coming to citation search. I have the citation details. So how do I download the judgment? So this is very simple. So select the publisher. For example, I'm selecting Manupatra citation. So you need to select Manu, enter the year. I'm showing this as an example. So if you have your own citation details, you can try your own. So I'm volume number, there is no volume number for Manupatra citation. So just enter the page number. Give the search. If you know the code, you can select the code. If not, you can leave the blank. Since I have not selected the code, so I have 29 results. Coming back, I'm going to select court as Karnataka High Court. Okay, so let's see the. So my citation details are exact. So this is about Commissioner of Income Tax versus Skyline Advertising. So Skyline Advertising is one of the leading advertising agency in Bangalore. So this is about their case. So this is how we need to enter the details. So how to download the other equivalent citations by entering the details. For example, let me take to EIR. So EIR Supreme Court. You need to enter the year. Coming to volume number. So if you have the volume number, you can give. If not, page number. Just give the search. So it is saying no document corresponding to. So let's. Oh, there is a mistake in entering the page number. So it is 1894. Okay, give the search. So this is about Jian Singh Man versus High Court of Punjab. So if you click on this red arrow mark, the judgment will open here. So coming to Manu search. Manu search is something which helps you with most of the research times. So if your query is about 2 or 3 combination of words, this is perfect search for you. So let me take you through example. So for example, gender, justice. You just give a query and click on search. So I'm giving a double inverted comma so that it searches as a sentence. So for my first case, which is SP Gupta versus Union of India. So you can see the red flag here, so which is overruled. If I'm clicking to that red flag, it will take me to the case which has been overruled. Okay, so now how to understand the case now, how to understand or how to read the judgment. So once you open the judgment, so on the left hand side, you have a Manupatra citation number. So Manu AC 0073 1994. If you click on that hyperlink, it will give you all the equivalent citations. You can see AIR, SLR, LCC, so all these. So if I'm clicking on this setting symbol, you can see here. So it will give me in brief how this particular case has been treated in other cases. If I'm just moving the cursor, it will give you 44% of discussed ratio and 37% mentioned, 12% relied on, so district, and again 2% is affirmed. So by just seeing this gist information, you can decide whether this case will be applicable for your requirement or not. If my requirement is on relied on, so it is just 12%. So if my requirement is on discussed, which is 44%, so I can prefer this case. So in that way, this helps you to understand. So on the top of the page, you have an option. So select language, you can convert to local language. So if you want to convert to Kannada, for example, so you can convert them. So this is how the judgment appears in Kannada language. So we use Google Power Translation. You can keep this as your reference. So I am clicking to show original. Okay. Further, I have the following features which I can understand the Supreme Court advocates, the current case which I am doing research in a better way. So can you see the text symbol here with view commentaries? If I click here, it will take me to the commentary page. Any commentaries that is available on a particular article, that will come here. So according to Constitutions of India, so on notes on article 129, all these commentaries are available. So if you want to go to next commentary, you can click this arrow mark. So all this is all value added extra information where you will not get in a easy go. So I also have a important para. So this shows the current case what I'm looking for has been cited to other cases as an important para. So to make you understand in better way. So the except on the ground of want of consultation with the named the para which I am reading, this particular para has been cited to following two cases on the below, which is the page is getting loaded. Okay, so I was explaining M para. So the important para of Supreme Court advocates, which is been highlighted here, except on the ground, that has been cited as an important para to the case of N. Kannadasan and others. So in the similar way, there will be other important para which has been cited to other cases. So if I click, it will take me to 58 para has been cited to K. Ashok Reddy case of para number . Okay, the 58 para number 58 of Supreme Court case has been cited to K. Ashok Reddy case for the para number here, the rule of law emergence. Valuable features. So I also have cited in para. So cited in para will tell me the Supreme Court advocates case which we are doing a research. It will tell me for how many times
Krishna, we are not hearing you properly.
sir, is my voice audible now?
It is audible now. Proceed.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, I have option of cited in para here. So if I click here, this feature will tell me the current case which we are doing a research for how many times that has been cited. So it is saying it has been cited for 1055 times. And also it will tell me to which para number that case has been cited to. So SP Gupta versus Union of India has been cited to National Association of Blind to para number 14.
Krishna, your
In the
screen
single
is sharing.
screen is not sharing, sir. Just a second.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸರ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Is my screen able to view?
Yes.
Okay, let me come from the beginning. So I was showing the feature of cited in para. So if I take this feature, so this will help me to understand how many times that particular case has been cited. So SP Gupta case has been cited for 1055 times. And also it will tell me SP Gupta case has been cited in National Association of Blind to the para number 14. And also in the below to the other case 112, para number 112. So all this is extra value added information which is available for you. So this is something unique feature, interactive timeline we call it as. Because when I was seeing the cited in para, it was said 1000 plus it has been cited. The same information has been shown in a graphical visualization to make you understand better. The graph is getting loaded. because since this is an analytic feature, it takes a lot of data to compile and give in a graphical visualization. Okay, so I have a graph which is showing has been cited for 1093 times. So on the left side, I have courts option. So Supreme Court, Madras, High Court, Delhi, Calcutta, others. And down I have years. So this graph will tell me if my research is more on, or I'm doing a research which is related to mentioned or relied on, discussed, distinguished, dissented, affirmed. So let me take to relied on. So I'm getting a circle so with the different places. So if I'm going to Supreme Court, so if I'm going to cursor, it is saying Dattaraj case has been cited for 271 times. And that is a Supreme Court case. If I'm scrolling down, it belongs to 2004. So in the same way, if I'm moving the cursor, so Briji Mohan Lal case has been cited for 147 times. Each size of the circle is different. Can you see here? So because the size of the circle, it has been cited for more number of times. I have a Delhi case, so which has been cited for 4 times. So all these citing references will help you to understand how that case is relevant for you. If it has been cited for more times, you have chances of getting or matching to a requirement more. So if your research is more about relied on distinguished, so you can choose distinguished. So this is how the case looks like. So if you are scrolling down, all the distinguished cases will appear here. So if I clicking to any hyperlink, so that will take you to the particular case. So basically, Manupatra will help you to smooth your research instead of spending a lot of time on the research time. So we have case map. This is again important tool in analytics. So this will give you graphical visualization for top 25 judgments. So I'm doing a research on SP Gupta. So from this graph, I can understand. So left side cases which are in gray colored has been cited to SP Gupta case. And further SP Gupta case has been cited to the following right hand side of the cases. So with a different arrow arc indicating different colors. So if you want to understand on explanation of the color, so this is overruled. So red one. So if this is color, it's mentioned, and this should be discussed. So if it is gray colored, it should be so you can download this judgment in a PDF format. So if you click here, so you have an options to choose with and without case notes. If you're going to with case notes, click on with case note and click on print. So this is how the case will look like. So this is the source. So your college name will come here. So Manupatra will be there. And you can email this to your friends or to your professors. Okay, it's getting loaded. You get from and to. So from will be by default, and to you need to enter your to address and click on send. So we have unique feature, so which is save this document in online Manupatra. So this will help you for all the students. So if you click here, so any judgment that you are doing the research, you can save it in online Manupatra website, and you can protect that particular folder as well. So you can give password and name for that folder. So anytime if you're logging onto the Manupatra page, you can directly go to that folder. Okay, this is how the page appears. So you can create your folder. So click here to create folder. So the voice screen. ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಫೀಚರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ಬಂತ ಸರ್? ಹಲೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತು. You have an option here. So this is very important feature. I'm repeating this due to internet failure. So I'm repeating this feature. So save this document. So this will help you to save your research documents online Manupatra website permanently. So you have an option to create folder. Click on create folder. So give the name, for example, Law College as a name. If you want to give a password, you can give password as your private protection, or you can leave it blank and create folder. So select your folder here and save. So once you save the judgment, we have an option to directly email and print, so that you cannot do, or you cannot start your research from the beginning and find out your judgment. So you can directly go to this folder. Screen sharing has been stopped. Share the screen. Okay, so you can directly go to that folder. So just down to legal research, you have my saved documents. So select your folder Law College. So select this case, email and print. So all your saved judgments will be here. So in the table of contents, I have one more important feature to explain you. So bare acts. So we have something unique on this feature. So you should select your central or state. If you're going to central, click on central. Click on bare act. So click on table of contents. So we have further options: chronological, alphabetical, so subject wise, ministry wise, industry wise, repealed. So let me go to alphabetical. So if I'm going to alphabetical, just for example, let me go to alphabetical N. So just to explain you, I'm taking Negotiable Instruments Act of 1881. So if I'm clicking on this hyperlink, this will take me to that particular act in short title. For example, section 6 is about check. I want to get judgments related to section 6 on topic check. Just move the cursor to right hand side of the page. You have an option, open judgments on section 6. If you click on that page, all the cases related to section 6 will come here. So you can adjust this toolbar according to your comfortness. You can see I have 208 cases available on that particular section. So again, come back. So just next to the particular act, I have further options here. Here, act in vernacular. If I'm clicking on this, other languages which are available will come here. To PDF format, which I can download. Other language app will look like. So you can download this. So you have option here, brief facts. So if you click here, it will tell you in brief from when that
Okay, now we have come to the concluding part of this program. If anybody has any questions, please contact me. My contact details are there in college website. We will try to answer for them. Now I take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. I thank Shri Krishna on behalf of the students and faculty of JSS Law College for his efforts in making our students and faculty knowledge in using this database. I thank Professor K. Suresh, Chief Executive, for presiding over the program. I thank Dr. S. Nataraju for being Chief Guest of today's program. My special thanks to Sri Madhukumar for his technical support. I also thank teaching, non-teaching staff and students for attending this program and for their valuable support. Now I request our students to attend Kannada Rajyotsava program online. Thank you, and thank you.